In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the depth effect is not working on the wallpaper on your iPad. If you're trying to set a wallpaper on the lock screen of your iPad, but if the depth effect is simply not working, now to fix this issue, first of all, just open the Photos app. Now over here, just select any photo which must have a clear and distinct subject, like a person, a building, or a pet. And also make sure that the subject should have a clear separation from the background, so that the subject could partially overlap the clock on the lock screen. Now it works the best if the subject is not placed too high. Now I'll give you an example. Now let's select this photo. Now if I try to set it as the wallpaper on our iPad, as you can see the depth effect is currently working. But if I place the subject too high, the depth effect will be disabled, just like that. Just make sure you place the subject a bit low, just like that. And finally, while you're setting a wallpaper on the lock screen, just tap on the three dots over here and make sure the depth effect is enabled. If this feature is disabled, the depth effect feature will simply not work, just like that. Just make sure you tap on the three dots over here and enable depth effect. And the depth effect will be enabled on your iPad, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.